Model, 2008 Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 2.0 CDTI, 115 PS, long wheelbase, Combi full camper day van easy fix body, black, camper mileage, 213990 engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhpg transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Clutch slave cylinder will need replacing, nice easy job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. This camper comes fully packed in the rear with every amenity you may need. From the kitchen sink to the bed, it really does have it all. This camper would make a great home away from home and would be wonderful for your next trip across Europe or even to the and-nbsp, English and NBSP, coast. Features, part service history, electric windows, sink, air con, hob, bed, parking sensors, fridge, fully fitted camper EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999723.